Hey everyone, Jai Jagannath. So I am Rajnikant, and today's video we're gonna discuss Java enums. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my side. Okay, so let's see what is Java enum and how we can declare an enum and how we can use. Okay, so this is Java documentation. If you'll see here, so enum types like class interface are there, so same way enums also are there. Okay, so an enum type is special data type that enables for a variable to be set of predefined constants. Okay, so it's a special data type where we can have a set of predefined constants. Okay, wherever in our project we'll see a set of predefined constants, then we can go for enums. Okay, for example, if you'll see here, public enum day. So day means it's a 7 day we have, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So these are constants in a day. We can say 7 days are there, so it's a constant. Okay, in the same way, if you'll see in some real-time scenario case, so if you'll see here, color. So color means some set of predefined constants will be there, like red, black, green, yellow, that kind of thing. And if you're coming to more realistic example, like for example, in your project you are using accounts. Okay, so maybe it's a saving account or maybe it's a current account. So these are two predefined constants. I mean, two predefined accounts will be there, like saving and current. So that time also we can use account as a enum, and their saving and current account will be there. Same way, if you'll see your application status or your request status is a pending or success or failure. Okay, so this is also a my bad. So this is also a good example of a real-time scenario of where we will use enum. Okay, so now let's see how we can define an enum and how we can use in our application. Okay, so the same one I can copy paste. Already have defined something here. Okay, let me remove this one and let's paste. Okay, so nothing, just simple. So Sunday, Monday, these are constants. Okay, you no need to declare any variable, you no need to set some value, like in a normal class what we are doing, public static string, public static final string or public static string we are taking. So no need to take any variable or anything, we no need to assign. So simply these are constants: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So the same way, if you want to declare a constant, sorry, if you want to declare a enums like status, so public enum status, and whatever the constants you want to put it here, you can put like success, pending, or failure. Okay, so this one done. Now let's see how we can access this enum, right? So here enum test, I have created a class with main method where we can test that one, right? So how we can use that enums. Okay, so let's copy paste this entire thing. I will explain, no worries. Okay, and in main method we need to put for the testing logic. Okay, let me copy paste this entire thing also here. Let's comment it out so that only one we can see. Okay, so what we are doing here, so in enum test we are taking a variable like day and day. This is the enum reference here. We are taking in inside class, it's a has a relationship, right? So student has a address, one student class is there, and inside that one you have one address attribute like address. The same way here we are taking day, and enum test, this is a constructor, and inside this constructor this parameter is day, and we are setting whatever will pass in the inside this constructor, we are setting to this variable. Okay, and here a method is there, tell it like it is. So one method is there, and inside that one we have a switch case, so switch will pass these enum, and based on the enum value, like based on the enum constant, so any of this case will execute. If we'll pass here Monday, Monday will execute. Friday, Friday will execute. Saturday, Saturday will execute. If we'll pass some other day, it will execute the default one. Okay, so hope you got that idea what I am doing here. Now let's quickly test that one. So enum test first day is equal to new enum test, right? So we are calling this constructor of this class enum test, and we are passing here day dot Monday. So day is the enum. If you'll see here, we are passing this day, right? So here we are passing day dot Monday. So day dot, if you'll see, all these constants will see all these constants you can see here. Okay, I'm passing this one, and then after I'm passing this one, what is happening here? So this Monday will come to here, and it will set to this variable. Okay, so now in day it's Monday is there. Oh, got it? So now if you'll call or tell it like it is that method, it will execute, right? So here switch case will execute, and this day, what is there in this day? It's Monday. Okay, so if you'll Monday, it will execute this case Monday, and it will print Mondays are bad, not exactly Mondays are good. Okay, then it will break. Let's run this one, and you'll see whether we are getting actual output or not. So enums we can use in switch case, in if and if else block, there also we can use, right? So if you see here, Mondays are good. Okay, if you want to print the value of a enum, then either let me show you here. If you want to print a value, we can do toString as well as get name also. So for example, day.monday dot, you can put name or else toString as well. Let's do toString. So wherever in your project you are using some predefined constants, so there you can use these enums, right? So if you'll see here, Monday it's printing. Okay, hope you got a basic idea that how enum works. Okay, so next one more thing I will show you here. Okay, for example, you want to have some values for this. For example, for Sunday I want it's 0, for Monday I want it's 1. Okay, if you want to pass some value, then how we can do that one? Pretty simple. So first let me declare a private and count, or you can say in what is this one, day count, anything, day count. Then what we can do, we can create a constructor for this enum. Okay, constructor is this enum. Let me declare this one public, and here we can pass int day count. Okay, then this, let me remove this public. This dot day count is equal to day count. Okay, done. Now we'll provide some getters and setters. So simple, right click here, and if you'll see generate and getters and setters. Okay, done. So just see here it's showing some red mark, error mark, right? So what we can do, we can pass here those values to the constructor. Suppose it's Sunday means 0, and Monday if you are 1, and Tuesday it's 2, Wednesday let's declare as it's 3, and Thursday is 4. Let me pass here. Friday 5, and Saturday 6. Okay, now let's see how we can access that value. For example, we'll not touch these things. For example, I want day.monday's value. What is the value for Monday? So you can refer like this, day dot and this constant, then dot. Here you can do get day count. Okay, so day dot Monday with this constant, with this enum constant, this is the day is the enum and Monday is the constant. So enum dot constant, then with enum constants you can get the enum instance. So day dot Monday means you will get the instance of this enum, and then on this instance or object we can call all the methods, what are the methods is present inside this enum. Okay, so like this, if you set some value and want to get that value, we can do like that way. So now if you'll see, it will print 0. Sorry, Monday means 1, right? We have declared Sunday means 0. Okay, so hope you got a crystal idea that how enum works. So wherever in your project you are, you just see it's a predefined set of constants, then we can go for enum. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.